In order to prioritize potential defects to establish priorities for improvement, we will be using the Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, or FMEA. To use this tool in EngineRoom, find and click the FMEA template from the Improve section of the DMAIC menu or under Quality Tools in the Standard menu. Click Launch to open the template in a new tab. You may give the study a name here and select whether or not you want to include revision scores in the template. Please note that these selections can be modified later in the project settings. Then click Create. Modify or add CTQCs, the what's, in the left-hand column labeled Process Step. You can click and drag on an edge to resize a column or row as needed. Next, assign a value on a 1 to 10 scale for severity, probability of occurrence, and probability of detection columns for each of the potential failure modes. For severity and occurrence, a 10 indicates the most severe or highest chance of occurrence. For detection, however, 10 represents the lowest chance of detection. That is, an error that occurs is more likely to be missed rather than caught. After assigning the risk ratings, the three numbers for each failure mode are multiplied together to yield a risk priority number, or RPN. This is used to rank the failure modes with the highest RPM indicating the highest priority. The bottom section is a reference table, but here you have the ability to change these and set your own definitions for what each of the values might mean. As you can see in the matrix, Failure Mode 2 has a risk priority number, or RPN, of 144 and is therefore the highest priority for process improvement. If you choose to include the revised RPN scores in this matrix, you can use these columns to calculate the new score achieved after implementing the actions to improve the process failure mode. This concludes our tutorial. You can find more tutorials for tools in EngineRoom by going to www.moresteam.com/help/EngineRoom.